With simple and slender design, it can easily fit with your home decor. Let your life shine with colorful lighting effects, a dynamic music mode, and a host of other incredible features, all providing you an astonishing lighting experience. This is the best floor lamp for your rooms, and you will fall in love with it. It's a Govee Lyra floor lamp. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and press bell notification icon so you never miss any updates. Let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. User manual, quick start guide, 3 metal slots, 2 metal parts for connecting slots, and 1 metal part for connecting the lamp base, remote controller, screwdriver, short and long screws, power adapter, strip light, and lamp base. You can also control these lights with your phone from anywhere. It works with the Google Assistant and Alexa. Just download Govee Home app from store and follow on-screen instructions. It has amazing features like colorful lighting, DIY mode, music mode, adjust brightness, segmented color control. You can adjust timers. With simple and slender design, it can easily fit with your home decor. Let your life shine with colorful lighting effects, a dynamic music mode, and a host of other incredible features, all providing you an astonishing lighting experience. Select a moving light effect with one tap and instantly transform your space for any occasion or vibe. It's a Govee Lyra floor lamp. Now take a look on remote controller. This is power on and off button. Press this button to switch between different music modes. Press this button to increase brightness of your lights. This button is for decreasing brightness of your lights. In the center of it, you can see the switch button. You can press to switch between 7 different colors. Press warm button to make the color warm or increase warmness. Press this button to make colors cool or increase coolness. Ensure the mic is facing up during use and also close to your music source for best results. Align the 3 metal slots in the correct sequence and connect them with 3 metal connecting parts. Use the screws in the corresponding holes to secure each connecting part to the metal slots. Connect the wires on the silicone strip light to the wires in the port of the lamp base. Remember, wires should be connected by color. Ensure the exposed wires are inside the lamp base. Now insert the connected lamp pole into the lamp base. Attach the holder to the lamp pole, then the remote controller. Rotate the remote controller holder to detach it from the lamp pole. Link in the description. Go check out, share, and comment this video. And also, subscribe this channel.